it's Shell with Little Acres Creations, and I was just looking at my horrible, filthy MISTI, and I wanted to show you guys how I clean it. I know some people have had some questions, so what I do is I just get my alcohol from my bathroom cabinet and a cotton ball, and I just put a little bit of alcohol on the swab and just wipe it clean. It doesn't take any like elbow grease really or anything like that, and it cleans up all of those stubborn ink marks that you get on there and you just can't get them off. Another way is to get those alcohol swabs like from the pharmacy department that you use for, you know, like before you give shots and such, and that works just as well, and it's maybe more convenient for some people. So, and it makes it easier to look through and makes a huge difference. So if you're wondering how to clean yours, that's as easy as it is. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.